how's it going? Today I'll show you an amazing and totally free application which you can use to watch live TV as well as live sports online. There are hundreds of channels available from all over the world. And here of course I had to blur out my screen because YouTube doesn't allow me to show you the exact channels available in that app, but trust me, you are going to like it. So now without any further ado, let me show you how to get that app to your device. First of all, you have to get an app called Downloader. You can actually get it for free from the official Amazon App Store. To do so, we just go to search on our Firestick and start typing Downloader in the search bar. As you can see, Downloader already popped out for us at the bottom, so there was even no need to enter the whole name of the app. We click on Downloader, and that's the app which we need to get to our device. However, after we get Downloader, it's not over yet. We still have to set it up. So to set up Downloader, we'll go to Settings. Here they are, click on that button with the gear icon, then scroll down until you see My Fire TV. Open it, and here you have to enable developer options on your device. However, on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new ones, the developer options can be hidden by default. So if that's the case, do not worry, it's really easy to make them appear. Just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you have to click on the middle button on your remote for 7 times and do it fast, so let's do it. As you can see, now for me at the bottom it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. In your case, it's going to say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options, which just appeared right here. So we open them, make sure to enable ADB debugging, then go to install unknown apps. From here, locate Downloader and turn that option on. So what it does, it's going to allow you to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only apps which are only available in the official Amazon App Store. And that's exactly what we're going to do right now. So now finally let's go to the list of apps on your device. There it is, open it. And here you'll find Downloader, which is set up and ready to use on your device. However, before actually using Downloader, there's one more thing which I really recommend doing. It's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN because they're super fast. We got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they're not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is great pricing for us, the users. In the VPN app, you just connect to any server. Let's say I will connect to Norway right now, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic is going to be totally encrypted. It means nobody can track you or snoop on you online, and that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in the pinned comment below the video or in the description of the video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now with the camera of your phone. It works the same way and also going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN. And now finally let's use Downloader safely. So go to the list of apps, open up Downloader, wait until that app loads. Then what's really important is on the left side menu you have to click on Home and not on Browser. So once again you have to click on Home, and here in that search bar start entering a code, which is going to be 2, 8, 9, 0, and 7. So once again the whole code is 28907, and then you have to click on Go. And now in a couple of moments a website is going to open up. And while it loads, make sure to subscribe my channel to get even more content about Fire Sticks, and of course hit the like button below this video if you find it helpful. Now when the website has loaded, we have to scroll down a bit until we find that list of categories, and from the list we have to click on Live TV. So let's click on it. Now a huge list of apps has opened, and from here we have to look for TV tab. Yep, that's the app, TV tab, exactly what we're looking for. Now we just have to click on it. Then some kind of ad might pop up. If it does pop up, do not click on open because that would mess everything up for you. Instead, click on close or just on X, depending on what kind of ad you see, to close down the ad. We click on close and we add to close and the new web page is going to open up. Yep, here it is. And here we also have to scroll it down. Keep scrolling until you see that download button right here. That's the button we're looking for. But if for some reason, if it doesn't work and the download doesn't start, you can always use the backup download link, which is just below the usual download button. So now we have to click on download, and in a couple of moments the download is going to start. As you can see, that happened really fast. Then just click on install and wait until TVTap application is installed to the Firestick. Then don't click on open yet, instead click on done, because here we'll have an option to delete the installation file, as we really don't need it anymore on our device. So we click on delete and then delete once again. This way we are erasing unnecessary installation files from our Firestick and therefore saving you some free space on your device. Now finally let's go to the list of apps on the Fire TV. Here it is, open it. Then scroll down and here at the bottom you'll find this app which we just downloaded. Now I would recommend you to click on the options button on your remote. That's the button of 3 horizontal lines. Click on it and then press on move to front. This way TVTap application is always going to be at the very top of your application list and therefore it's going to be really easy for you to access the app every time you need it. Just don't forget to keep your VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble. Once again, you can use the link below the video or just go to topvpnoffer.com to get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free. Enjoy and see you next time. Bye bye.